Today, we are in the countryside. It is raining, Lucy. Look, Henry. These are flowers. The flowers are very pretty. The ground is wet. Yes. We walk slowly. I feel calm here.
Me too.
Listen, Henry. The rain is on the leaves. It sounds nice. This is a butterfly. It is very small. I see a squirrel. Hello, squirrel. It is so cute. Yes, very cute. Look at these flowers. They are very pretty. I can pick a tulip. Yes, be careful. Look, a bird. It is very small. It is colorful. I like the bird. Look, a puddle. I can splash it.
Be careful, Henry.
It is fun. Look, mushrooms. They glow. We can look closely but not touch. It is magic. Look, a butterfly. It is so colorful. Butterflies like flowers. I want to touch it. Look, a stream. We can cross it. Be careful on the bridge. I am careful. Look, glowing insects. They are magic. We watch them carefully. They fly fast. Look, a deer family. They are so cute. Deer eat grass and flowers. I see them eat. Look, squirrels are playing.
They are so fast.
Squirrels run and climb trees.
I like watching them.
Look, a frog. It is green. Frogs live near water. I see it jump. We cross the stream. Be careful. Step on the logs. I am careful.
Look, chipmunks are playing.
They are so fast.
Chipmunks run and hide in logs.
I can see them hide.
This is a bridge.
It moves. Oh, we can cross carefully. I am careful. This is a cornfield. It's so tall. We can find our way. I see a scarecrow. It is big. Ooh, ooh. We can see far from here. I like it. Look, farm animals. Oh, the goat is eating. Animals eat and drink here. I see the ducks swim.
See you soon.
We say goodbye when we leave.
Goodbye, friends.